Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem developers might encounter. The problem at hand is related to using the chrono library to parse a POSIX date and time string, irrespective of the global locale. Our code snippet is all set up, but unfortunately, it always outputs an error message instead of the expected date. Now let's delve into the solution. It seems like there might be a bug in GCC that's causing this issue. I'd recommend filing a bug report to address this. Interestingly, when we modify the format specifier from %c to %a%, b%, e%, t%y, which is what %c should expand to for the C locale, the code miraculously works. In summary, we've uncovered a hiccup in the code that could be related to a GCC bug. By tweaking the format specifier to match what it should expand to, we were able to resolve the parsing issue. Remember, if you encounter similar problems, don't hesitate to dig deeper into potential bugs. And that's a wrap for today. Remember, hit that subscribe button for more tech tips, like the video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!